In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Groupon. We will walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen and finish with Groupon showing prices in the currency you actually use. First, open Chrome on your device. Once Chrome is open, tap on the address bar at the top of the screen. Type the word Groupon into the search field, all as one word, then press enter. After a short moment, the search results page will load, and you should see several links related to Groupon on your screen. Now we will go into Groupon from those results. Look through the search results and find the main Groupon website link, usually near the top and often labeled as Groupon with a short description about deals or coupons. Click that correct link to open the Groupon homepage. After you click, wait for the Groupon site to finish loading so you can see the main banners and deal sections. With the Groupon homepage open, we can move on to the currency setting. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page, right past all the deals and category links, until you reach the footer area. In this bottom section, look carefully for the country or region list, which might appear as a small text drop-down menu, or as a list of country names or flags. If you do not see it at first glance, move your eyes slowly across the bottom of the page, because it is sometimes tucked into a corner or near other small links. Once you have found that country or region list, pause there and get ready to choose the country that matches the currency you want. Next up, click your target country in that country or region list. When you click the country name or flag, the Groupon webpage will automatically reload, so give it a moment while the page refreshes. After the reload completes, the Groupon interface will now display local deals that belong to that selected country, and the prices will appear in that country's native currency instead of the one you saw before. A quick way to confirm this is to glance at a few deal tiles and check that the currency symbol next to each price matches the one used in your chosen country. If it does, then the change has taken effect across the site right away. You have just changed the country and currency used in Groupon, so all the deals now show prices in the local money for your chosen region. If this helped you finally see Groupon prices in your own currency, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple how-to guides like this.